P1, P2, P3 are altitudes drawn from vertices A, B, C to the opposite sides of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. A నుంచి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్కి ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ P1, అలాగే B నుంచి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ P2, C నుండి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ P3. ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ P1, P2, P3 opposite to A, B, C respectively. Then show that first one 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equal 1 by R. Second one 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3 equal 1 by R3. Third one P1, P2, P3 equal to ABC whole square by 8R cube equal to 8 delta cube by ABC. First P1 altitude from A to BC. Length of this side opposite to A small a, opposite to C small c, opposite to B small b. Now first దీని నుంచి చూడండి, opposite to A area delta equal to half into base into height. Height and the altitude ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా P1. That implies P1 equal to 2 delta by A. With respect to A, P1 equal to 2 delta by A. Similarly, with respect to B, P2 equal to 2 delta by B, P3 equal to 2 delta by C. Okay na? First half into base into height. Base A, height P1. Half A P1 equal delta. P1 equal to cross multiplication 2 delta by A. P1 equal 2 delta by A. Next, second P2 equal 2 delta by B. Third P3 equal 2 delta by C. P1, P2, P3 find out చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. 1 by P1 equal to 2 delta by A. 1 by P1 reciprocal A by 2 delta. 1 by P2 B by 2 delta, C by 2 delta. That is A plus B plus C by 2 delta. That is A plus B plus C means 2S by 2 delta. S by delta. Delta equal to మన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి RS. S by delta equal to cross multiplication 1 by R. That is 1 by small r. Therefore 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equal to 1 by small r. 1 by small r. Next second one 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3 equal to 1 by R3 అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3. P1 equal 2 delta by A. 1 by P1 A by 2 delta. 1 by P2 B by 2 delta. 1 by P3 C by 2 delta. A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta minus C by 2 delta. That is A plus B minus C by 2 delta. A plus B means 2S minus C by 2 delta because A plus B plus C equal 2 delta. A plus B equal 2S minus C. 2S minus 2C by 2 delta. 2 common out S minus C by delta. That is 1 by R3. 1 by R3. ఎలా వచ్చింది S minus C by delta 2 cancel. మన ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా delta by delta equal to S minus C into R3. S minus C by delta cross multiplication. ఓకే ఇది బైలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే దీనికి బైలోకి వస్తుంది. S minus C by delta equal to R3 by R3. ఇదేమో by delta అవుతుంది. 1 by R3 equal to S minus C by delta. That is second one. Next third one P1 into P2 into P3 find out చేయాలి. P1 into P2 into P3. P1 equal to 2 delta by A. P2 equal 2 delta by B. 2 delta by C. 8 delta cube by ABC. Okay. 8 delta cube by ABC. 8 delta cube by ABC means 4R delta, because ABC by 4R equal to delta. ABC equal to 4R delta. Delta would cancel. 2 delta square by R. 4 2 times cancel. Again delta. Delta means this formula 2 into ABC by 4R whole square by R. 2 by 16. ABC whole square by 16. 2 by 16 means 8 R cube. R square already R cube. 2 by 16 constant. 2 by 16 means 1 by 8. ABC whole square. R square already R cube. Okay, now use just formula indi. ABC by 4R equal to delta. ABC by 4R equal to delta. అలాగే ఇక్కడ ABC దగ్గర 4R క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై 4R డెల్టా. ఇక్కడ డెల్టా దగ్గర ABC by 4R అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ డెల్టా దగ్గర ABC by 4R. ఇక్కడ ABC దగ్గరేమో 4R క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై అవుద్ది. 4R into delta, 4R delta, cancel. 2 delta square by R. 2 into ABC by 4R whole square by R. Okay. That is ABC whole square by 8R cube. ABC whole square by 8R cube. Okay. Therefore, P1 into P2 into P3 equal to ABC whole square by 8R cube equal to 8 delta cube by ABC. If A equal to 13, B equal to 14, C equal to 15, then show that capital R equal to 65 by 8, small r in triangle ABC. ఏది ఇవ్వలేదంటే in triangle ABC. Okay. 4 R1 equal 21 by 2, R2 equal to R equal to 4, R1 equal 21 by 2, R2 equal 12, R3 equal to 14. ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. R1 equal 12, R1 equal 21 by 2, R2 equal 12, R3 equal 14. ఓకే. R equal to 4. అవి ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ A ఇచ్చాడు, B ఇచ్చాడు, C ఇచ్చాడు. గివెన్ దట్ A equal to 13, B equal to 14, C equal to 15. Now 2S equal to A plus B plus C equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15, that is 29, 32, 42. S equal to 42 by 2, that is 21. Now delta area S వచ్చింది 21. Now area delta equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is 21 into S minus A, 42 minus A, 42 minus 13. S equal 21 minus 13, 8. 20, S minus B, 21 minus 14, 7. 20 minus 1 minus 15, 6. That is delta. 21 means 7 into 3, 8. 4 into 2, 7. 2 into 3. 7 2 times 7, 3 2 times 3, 2 2 times root 4 and 2. That is 84. 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. 84 delta. S 21. Now R equal to delta by S. 84 by 21. That is 4. Small r equal to 4. Next, capital R. Now, ABC by 4R equal to delta. That implies R equal to cross multiply. ABC by 4 delta. ABC 13 into 14 into 15 by 4 into delta 84. 4 into 84 అది 14 ones 14 6 next 3 5s 3 2 65 by 4 into 2 8 capital R equal to 65 by 8 capital R కూడా వచ్చింది R వచ్చింది ఇంకేం రావాలి R1 R2 R3 రావాలి వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా R1 ఈక్వల్ టు delta by S minus A delta 84 S ఎంత 21 minus A 13 84 by 8 that is 21 by 2 small r1 equal to delta by S minus A that is 21 by 2 okay 21 by 2 next R2 equal to delta by S minus B 84 by 21 minus 14 7 R3 equal to delta by S minus C 84 by 21 minus C and the 15 that is 6 14 therefore R equal to 4 R1 equal 21 by 2 R2 12 R3 14 capital R equal to 65 by 8 65 by 8 given that A equal 13 B equal 14 C equal 15 now 2S equal to A plus B plus C S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 21 అదే అప్లై చేశాను ఇక్కడ ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ ఎస్ మైనస్ బి ఎస్ మైనస్ సిలు అప్లై చేశాను మనకి R1 R2 R3లు వచ్చేస్తాయి నెక్స్ట్ 8th one if R1 equal 2 R2 equal to 3 R3 equal to 6 and R equal to 1 then show that A equal to 3 B equal to 4 C equal to 5 A equal 3 B equal 4 C equal to 5 R1 ఉంది R2 ఉంది R3 ఉంది R ఉంది ఓకేనా మనకి ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి R1 R2 R3 R ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనకు ఫార్ములా ఏంటి we know that delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3 delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3 that is 2 into 3 into 6 into 1 delta equal to 6 36 కదా root of 36 6 మన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి నా delta R1 equal delta by S minus A R1 equal delta by S minus A that is S minus A equal to delta by R1 6 by 2 that is 3 similarly S minus B equal to delta by R1 equal delta by S minus C అలాగే R2 equal delta by S minus B S minus B equal delta by R2 that is 6 by R2 3 2 S minus C equal delta by R3 6 by 6 1 S equal to delta by R 6 by 1 6 okay na delta by R 6 by 1 6 now S minus A equal to 3 A equal to S minus 3 S equal 6 kada S equal to already 6 కదా అదే సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాను S minus B equal to 2 B equal to S minus 2 6 minus 2 4 next S minus C equal to 1 C equal to 1 minus S minus C equal to 1 C equal to S minus 1 that is S in the 6 minus 1 that is 5 therefore A3, B4 and C5. A3, B4 and C5. That is R1, R2, R3, R వచ్చినప్పుడు సైడ్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి. ఓకేనా? ఏ బీసీలు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి. R1 ఈక్వల్ డెల్టా బై ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ, ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ తీసుకుంటే 3 వస్తుంది, ఎస్ మైనస్ బి 2, ఎస్ మైనస్ సి 1, ఎస్ 6, ఎస్ మైనస్ ఈక్వల్ 3, ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ 6 కదా, దీంట్లో సపరేట్ చేస్తే A3, ఎస్ మైనస్ బి ఈక్వల్ 2, ఎస్ 6 కదా, దీంట్లో సపరేట్ చేస్తే B4, 6 సపరేట్ C5. దేర్ ఫర్ A3, B4 and C5. Okay.